Saturday the 30th of January, and last night I had the car at the Adelaide Auto Expo. Big thanks to Jeff Tartuzzi, who runs the event, but also Burson Auto Parts for asking me to put the car on their stand, which is pretty cool. It's amazing how many people have got 80 series Landcruisers that go to those events and come and have a chat and say hello and stuff like that, and people asking stuff like what's the bonnet and bits and pieces. But anyway, that was yesterday. Today I'm just following the guys from Solid Mechanical and Engineering, and we are heading to the Bend Motorsport Park. Now the cool thing is today there's two things happening. The guys are on track during the day with Aaron's R35 GTR, which is an absolute weapon. You'll see that very soon. Might even go for a spin with him in it. After that though is roll racing number 7 at the Bend Motorsport Park. I'm taking probably the slowest car that'll be there tonight, but no, I'm going to take Frank the Tank for a spin in the roll racing. Mostly just to have a bit of fun and see what roll racing's all about and just to do it. But the thing for me is that this is kind of like my toe in the water to see what roll racing's all about, because as you may have seen through some of the Instagram posts and stuff like that, been finally getting back into working on the Falcon, and hopefully with any luck should have it running again in the next few weeks maybe. No panic, all the guys that are helping out on the car are really good people, and don't want to pressure anyone too much. Just sort of, it'll happen when it happens. At this moment hoping maybe roll racing in March with it, but just want to get a few things sorted on it and get it ready and right to go. So that will be a lot of fun. From the guesstimate last time on the dyno, because it was spinning the tyres and bits and pieces like that, made about 800 horsepower at the wheels, which for a Barra's, it's a Barra, you know, they're all making big power these days, so it's hard to be the biggest and baddest, but should be good anyway. So I'll stop waffling because it's 3 minutes in now, so I'll probably chop a lot of this out and stop boring you. But in the car now, aircon on, nice day, perfect weather, and yeah, can't wait to have some fun. See you there. Okay, 30th of January today, roll racing number 7 I believe at the Bend here. Got the Landcruiser today, probably going to be the slowest car, but it should be a bit of fun. Haven't done roll racing before, but kind of get the gist of it, but want to give it a run before I bring the ute out and see how it goes. Let's have some fun. So I've done one run so far. It was a bit of fun. As I knew from the get-go, this wasn't going to be fast at all, this car, but it did everything right. Changed gears, fine, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, I was lined up next to an AMG, like it's a GLC 63S, which is like a SUV-ish kind of AMG, but still an AMG though, so I'm guessing it's pretty quick. But he didn't beat me by that much. Well, it was a bit, but not heaps. So yeah, pretty cool, bit of fun. I'm sure this thing is bloody loud though. Okay, we're done roll racing, tons of fun. It's obviously dead quiet here now, there's people up in the hotel rooms, but what a night. Probably had the slowest car here, but it didn't matter because I had stacks of fun. Aaron's GTR. Bummer got knocked out in the eliminations in a cool hose blow off, but he'll be back, I'll be back. Gonna get the ute running, coming back here in probably March. See you then. Thanks for watching.